This is basically saying to make instruments whilst you're out. If you're in a group, you can each make an instrument and play while singing a song everybody knows. We're off out in nature, darlings. Come with me. There's nothing like a good old whiz in the nature. Having a wee with a view is the one. Ugh. Oh. Wow.
I really don't want to go on it.
Yeah. I never knew they came in threes.
No, I thought it was just one big one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa.
No. Fine.
Wow. Wow. Not being funny, but look at that for a freaking. Oh my god, this is such a what the hell? If only we knew about it. Wow.
I can see that, yeah.
I think so. Yay.
Honestly, wish I was a boy.
We sung songs and I hit the sticks. It was very fun and I smashed a few sticks up. My mate was like, "Are you okay?" I was like, "Yeah, I don't feel rage, but if I do, I'm letting it go." And then we chucked loads of conkers, which was really nice, and spoke to some people. It was just great. Nature is such a powerful thing. Such a powerful thing.